Hi, myself A.K. Mishra. I am a political analyst. I do used to participate in different kind of leading TV debate as a political analyst, as an expert economist, as an expert of business and economy. Might be you have seen my debate in past. On 8th of December, Monday 2025 at Talkatora Indoor Stadium, New Delhi, we are going to organize a India level, a global level training program for the student and youth of India. The title of this training program is Be the Kingmaker, where we will discuss that how student and youth can hunt an opportunity in global political market for a better career, for a better job. On this precious occasion, I do invite intellectuals, professionals across India, across globe to conduct a small podcast. We want that whatever the experience you have gained by means of investing your precious year in any kind of job, please do join our podcast. The entire world, the youth as well as the young generation of India want to get benefit from your experience, from your idea. You may be a lecturer, you may be a professor, you may be a vice chancellor, you may be a corporate professional or corporate strategist, you may be a successful entrepreneur, or you may be running an NGO, you may be a doctor, you may be a lawyer, or you may be a chartered accountant. But definitely, if you are having a good exposure of your field, and if you want to contribute, if you want to give your message to the youth, to the young generation, to the students, that how India can become world leader, we do cordially invite. Please do contact us. Visit our website www.gesglobal.in, or you can WhatsApp us +91 92 11 377 109, or on Arati you can message +91 85 870 67 685. We will definitely get back to you. We will invite you at our office for the recording of podcast. You are most welcome to join a podcast. Let the entire world, let the next gen must listen your experience, must be benefited by your experience. Let's try to shape, let's start shaping the India, whatever we think, whatever India should be.